Vikas, I want to start investing in mutual funds. But how do I figure out which one's right for me?
Good question, Sapna. The starting point is always your goal. What are you investing for and how long can you stay invested?
So, like saving for a trip versus planning for retirement would need different approaches?
Exactly. Your investment horizon and risk appetite play a big role. Short-term goals may need a different kind of fund compared to long-term ones.
And what if I'm not sure about my risk appetite?
Then it helps to speak with a financial advisor or use tools that help assess it. It's important to know how comfortable you are with ups and downs in the market.
Makes sense. So, there's no one perfect fund. It depends on my situation.
Right. Look at factors like the fund's objective, past performance, cost structure, and who's managing it.
Got it. So, the key is aligning the fund with my goals and comfort level.
Absolutely. That way, you make informed choices that support your financial journey.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.